Hi, my crafty friends. It's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to paint a pumpkin strainer. So I had this strainer that I picked up at a thrift store, I think. It was like $1. You can use one of the Dollar Tree ones if you want, but this one was just kind of rustic and old. You'll need some ribbon, some raffia, some twine, and some paints in orange, black, white, and in a red. So the first thing we're going to do is paint our strainer. And you're just going to keep layering coats on. You can add some Mod Podge to your paint if you want to make it a little thicker, but it's not necessary. And I just kept adding coats and adding coats on the inside and the outside till I got the desired look that I wanted. Not every hole is going to be covered. Not every piece of it is going to be fully painted. So just keep adding coats and allowing them to dry, and then add another one. And you want to add this paint liberally and thick. Here it is when I was done painting. This is about 4 coats, drying in between each coat and putting it on very, very thick. As you can see, you can still see the holes, and that's okay. So now I'm just going to take a Sharpie and I'm going to draw out a jack-o'-lantern face. So I'm going to do 2 triangles for the eyes, a triangle for the nose, and then I'm just going to add a mouth with some teeth cut out of it like a jack-o'-lantern. And then I'm going to add some eyebrows. And then I'm going to take some black acrylic paint and fill in all of my outlines that I made with the Sharpie. You could use a paint pen. It's totally up to you. I'm just more comfortable with a paintbrush. And here's what it looks like when I'm all done filling it in. Next, I'm going to take some white acrylic paint and a liner brush, and we're going to start giving him some character. So I added 2 white dots on each one of his eyes, and then a half circle at the bottom of his eye. As you can see, just little half circles. I'm going to add a line down his nose and one on his mouth also. And this is just going to give him a little bit of character. And how cute is he already? Next, I'm going to take some of that red paint, and I'm going to mix it with some white and make it a lighter pink color. Then I'm going to add some rosy cheeks to him. Once I have the rosy cheeks done, I'm going to take some white paint and add a little detail around the edges of the circles that I did for the rosy cheeks. So just a couple of little half circles, again, adding just a little bit more character to him. And how adorable is that? And like I said, this can be done on a Dollar Tree strainer just as well as it can be one that you find at a thrift store. Next, I'm going to add some Spanish moss to the top. I'm just going to hot glue that in place. Then I'm going to make a messy bow with some fall style ribbon. And I'm going to attach that on top of the Spanish moss. Once I have that all attached, I'm going to add a cute little black button just to finish off the bow and give him a more finished look. And that is it. He is all done. I think he turned out super cute. I absolutely love it. And I hope it inspires you to make one. This can also be done as a snowman, and I've done another one as a gingerbread man. Super fun project, super easy. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.